Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find your Venmo statement or your Venmo transaction history. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Venmo app. Right afterwards you have opened it up, make sure you're signed in as well. Then you're going to simply tap on this menu icon, and then from the list of the option, go ahead, choose this option of statements. As soon as you tap on that option, it will simply show you the transaction history of yours and the statements right over here. You can see completed 2021 and completed 2020 as well. It's gonna show you the past transaction history as well, and there you go. Now from over here, you're simply gonna go ahead, choose the one of which you wanna take out the details or check out the history of. Go ahead, tap on that particular statement. The history gonna be looking like this. You can see completed, you're gonna see the payment method, you're gonna see the transaction detail, paid to and payment between friends and etc., and transaction ID including, right? But if you would like it in a PDF manner, and if you would like to know further, you can again tap on the particular statement, which is simply the transaction details. If you would like to know more, you're gonna simply tap on the transaction details right over there. Right, once you tap on the details, you're gonna find your proper detail of your particular transaction, and this is how it's gonna be appearing for the remaining transactions as well. And that is how you will be able to check out your Venmo statement or your Venmo transaction history likewise. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.